with the third place Champions Award. It's my honor to give this award to a team that embodies the true values of First Lego League. Their work reflects not only advanced technical skills, but also a remarkable spirit of collaboration and innovation. The judges were very impressed with their advanced coding skills, seamlessly integrating tools like GitHub and Python into their project. They showed exceptional dedication with their testing and continued improvements over time based on findings, not just based on their guts. Their project presentation was full of creativity, starting with a skit that set the tone for a thoughtful and engaging discussion of their work, which the judges loved. Congratulations on this well-deserved recognition. Please join me in celebrating the work of the Lego Stormers.